All right, ladies and gentlemen, settle down, settle down. I know it's Monday and our fifth meeting today, but I wanted to go over exactly what I do here at Company Incorporated. I'm your product manager, Declan, and this infographic shows the steps I take to lead a successful project. Isn't it beautiful? So, product planning. Various frameworks have been created to aid in the process of project planning. The most popular is the Agile framework and its two methodologies, Scrum and Kanban. These two have since been combined to make Scrumban, which we use here at Company Incorporated. Scrumban emphasizes keeping customers involved and development team continuity. However, it leads to a significant lack of documentation, which ends up screwing me over and I have to deal with anyways. So, thank you. Next is risk management. Risk management is all about planning for what you do not want to happen. First, the different types of risk present must be identified. These include project risks, including scheduling, like when Janet is conveniently sick every Monday after girls' night at Cafe Loco. Product risk, like quality, and business risk, including customers. Then there's people management. People management involves the process of hiring, leading, and developing team members to support the organization's overall mission. It can be hard to meet the needs of a large group of people, all with different backgrounds and expectations. Because of this, it's important a project manager keeps an eye on the quality of the mindset of the people. That's why we have casual Fridays and ice cream Wednesdays. A team is nothing without morale. Then there's projecting progress. Delivering progress not only to higher-ups, but to customers as well is a vital aspect of project management. Trust me, I do not want to talk to Jason. Because Scrumban focuses on increasing customer interaction, this is seen even more so. Various graphs and charts as well as projections are helpful when showing progress as well as prototypes. Then there's proposal writing. God, my least favorite. Often acting as the face of a team, hello, that's me, project managers need to have developed a fair writing ability, especially when writing proposals. Thank my ENC 1102 class. Proposals are important as they can allow for firms and teams to win over a project and gain the business of customer, and that's how we got Amazon. Then there's success criteria. Success can be hard to track when working on software. Because of this, success mainly focuses on agreed upon terms, delivering products on time, cost staying within budget, meeting customer expectations, and leading a coherent and efficient team, which I like to think I do. There are all ways project managers can track success. And now, I know it was a lovely presentation, but I hate to be the bearer of bad news. The holidays are coming up, and you guys know what that means. It's crunch time, and so 60-hour work weeks, no overtime. It's not my fault. It's Zoom, the transition to Zoom has been really hard. So, yeah, guys, have a great day. Look forward to ice cream on Wednesday. Bye, everybody.